believe everything that the guy at the auto parts store tells you when he scans your check engine light. Let's say you have a code on that's related to an oxygen sensor. Does that mean you need an O2 sensor? Well, maybe, but not definitely. There's a lot that goes into it. It could be a wiring issue. It could be an engine tune-up issue that's not allowing the engine to run properly, which throws off the oxygen sensor. It could be part of your exhaust system. Maybe the catalytic converter is not functioning properly. Just because the check engine light code says something about an O2 sensor doesn't mean it needs to be replaced. So, if you really want to know what's going on with your check engine light, come to a place like us, AutoSmith. We'll scan your check engine light, we'll properly diagnose the problem, and let you know what it's going to take to make that repair and turn off that annoying check engine light. AutoSmith, 719-634-4800.